Which of the following individuals is considered officially unemployed? So in this question, we're asked to find which of these following individuals are officially unemployed. So, A. Chris, who has not worked for more than 3 years and has given up looking for work. This is not an officially unemployed person because he has given up looking for work, and this is instead a discouraged worker, which is not counted as part of the labor force because they are not looking for work. So we can eliminate A. B. Kim, who is going to school full-time and is waiting until graduation before looking for a job. So this is not officially unemployed because she's not looking for a job. Therefore, because she's not looking for a job, she is not unemployed. C. Pat, who recently left a job to look for a different job in another town. This is an unemployed person, an officially unemployed, and this is an example of a frictionally unemployed person, which means that they are looking between jobs, and this is a proper example of an frictionally unemployed person because Pat is just left a job and is looking for a different job in another town. So overall, C seems to be the correct answer. D. Leslie, who retired after turning 65 only 5 months ago. This is incorrect. Because Leslie has retired, therefore she's not looking for a job, so she's not considered unemployed. E. Lee, who is working 20 hours per week and is seeking full-time employment. This is incorrect because working for part-time is still considered unemployed. It's still considered employed, not unemployed. Therefore, E. Lee isn't an unemployed worker. And thus the correct answer is C.